OKB is the native utility token of OKX, a leading global cryptocurrency exchange. Here's a detailed breakdown. 1. What is OKB? Utility token, OKB is used within the OKX ecosystem for various purposes, including trading fee discounts. Users can pay trading fees with OKB and receive discounts. Staking and earn programs. OKB can be staked to earn passive income. OKX Jumpstart, participation in token sales and launchpad events. OKXDX, used for decentralized exchange transactions. Governance, OKB holders may have voting rights on certain platform decisions. Tokenomics. Total supply, initially 300 million, with periodic burns to reduce supply, deflationary mechanism. Burn mechanism, OKX uses 30% of its spot and derivatives trading fees to buy back and burn OKB quarterly. 2. What is OKX exchange? OKX, formerly OKX, is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, offering spot and derivatives trading, supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies with high liquidity. Earn products, staking, savings, DeFi yield farming, and more. Web3 and DeFi integration includes a non-custodial wallet, NFT marketplace, and DX. Security uses cold storage, multi-signature wallets, and proof of reserves, POR, audits. Global presence, available in many countries, except restricted regions like the US. 3. OKB versus OKT, OKX chain token. OKB is the exchange's utility token, ERC20, BEP20, etc. OKT is the native token of OKX chain, a separate blockchain for DeFi and smart contracts. 4. Where to buy OKB? Available on OKX, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, and other major exchanges. OKB plays a crucial role in the OKX ecosystem, incentivizing users with benefits while maintaining a deflationary model through token burns.